Right, this is my polytunnel, so shall we have a look what's inside? Lots of tomatoes. A bit of a tomato freak, really. And what I'm going to do, through with a hose and this bottle, I'm going to give them a bit of feed, which I do once a week. As you can see, they're flowering now. So let's just give some of them a little watering and feed right down the bottom. And I'm going to go along all the way. But what I've done this year, because the soil isn't very good in this polytunnel, I've actually dug a hole and put the pots, which have got multi-purpose compost, in there. And it does give me a little bit more space up here before the canes hit the roof of the polytunnel. So I've got lots of different varieties. And as you can see, they're all nicely coming into flower now. And what you do have to look for is where you might need to pinch any out. So here, if you can see there, just between that leaf going out and the main stem there, is just pull that out, pinch it out. And that means all the goodness goes into the formation of fruit and not into the leaves. So they're at similar stages, these. I do think I've got some fruit forming somewhere. I saw the other day. Let's see if I can see it now. It's not shouting at me. But there we are, there's another one that can come out. And these will need a little more tying into the cane as they go up. Oh, here we go. There's a little one starting to grow. Oh, and this one here's got some little green fruit on it as well. This is these canes are shorter because this is a bush variety called Montello, and it produces loads and loads of plum-shaped tomatoes. So I've got about 3 of those. And we've got various things in here. I've probably got some sun gold. What's this one? Let's have a look. That's a sun gold. And this one's a honeycomb, which is a sort of new variety, which I'm going to take a look at. Hopefully that'll come on nicely. And here's some little fruit appearing here on that sun gold. See, that's kind of getting a bit bushy now, so I need to tie that up a little bit. And it's getting very warm in here. So I'm going to carry on giving the plants a little bit more food. This one here is called a shimmer. I grew this last year. Again, nice plum-shaped tomatoes with a red, but with a little attractive green streaks down them. And they're very nice to eat as well. Last year's weren't too prolific, but it's probably the way I grew them. These are looking much healthier. About 2 feet between them. I think that's probably enough. And nice little alleyways to get around them all. Let's see what this one is. I'm a bit fond of... this one's a new one. This is called Yellow Mimi. I've not tried this one before. So we're trying this one out for the first year. That can come out as well. If you want to, you can pot these as well and grow on from them, but I think I've got enough tomatoes, thank you. So that's the polytunnel with the tomatoes, and I'm getting out now for a moment just to cool down, and later on I shall come back and it's a bit cooler and water all the pots.